Look at yourself for a second. You're not losing focus slowly. You're losing it completely. Your attention span isn't getting weaker over time. It's being destroyed in real time. You open your phone without thinking. You switch apps every few minutes. You feel busy all day. But at the end of the day, nothing meaningful is done, and the worst part? You think it's laziness. It's not. It's attention fragmentation. Your brain is being pulled in 100 directions. And if you don't fix it now, there will come a time when you won't be able to sit, think, or focus, even for 10 minutes. So listen carefully. Because these 5 steps can rebuild your focus before it's too late. Step 1. Face reality. Right now, you don't even know how broken your focus is, so stop assuming and measure it. Take a book. Start a timer. Read until the exact moment your mind says, check your phone. Stop the timer. That number, that's your real attention span. Maybe it's 5 minutes. Maybe it's 20. Doesn't matter. Because progress doesn't start with confidence. It starts with honesty. Step 2. Kill the distractions. Your focus isn't weak. Your environment is. Your phone is not harmless. It's engineered to hijack your brain. Notifications, reels, endless scrolling. They're not accidents. They're traps. So when it's time to focus, put your phone in another room. Turn off notifications. Close every tab that doesn't matter. You don't need more willpower. You need less interference. Step 3. Create a focus trigger. Focus is not something you wait for. It's something you train. Same place, same posture, same start. Do it again and again, until your brain learns. When this happens, we focus. No motivation, no mood, just a conditioned response. That's how professionals work. Step 4. Respect your limits. Your brain is not a machine. If you push it endlessly, it will break. That's why your focus disappears after a few hours, so instead of forcing it, work in blocks. Focus, then pause. Walk. Breathe. Reset. Breaks are not weakness. They are what allow you to come back stronger. Step 5. Give your attention a reason. This is where most people fail. You can't focus on something that feels meaningless. Before you start anything, ask yourself, why does this matter? Who benefits if I finish this? Write it down, because when your brain sees meaning, it stops resisting. Focus stops feeling like effort and starts feeling like purpose. Understand this. Your attention is your life. Whatever you give it to, you become. And right now, most people are giving it away to 15-second distractions. That's why they feel lost. That's why they feel stuck. But you don't have to stay there. Fix your attention. And you don't just work better. You think better, live better, and become dangerous in a world full of distracted people. If this hit you, don't ignore it. Because the ability to focus is becoming rare, and rare skills build powerful lives.